Hello class. In this video, you are going to learn some strategies to help you figure out what to write about, okay? In the writing process, the thinking and planning that goes on in your head and on paper before you actually write your essay is considered to be pre-writing strategies. And we're going to go over some of them to see which ones may be helpful to you depending on your own learning style. So thinking is one form of pre-writing. Give yourself some time to think about the topic at hand. Questioning is another one. Write down as many questions as you can about the topic. These questions can then guide your research. This would be if you are writing about something other than yourself. You can also research and do a double entry journal, which we are going to be talking about for Essay 1. Free writing is a technique that you can use where you set a timer, you ignore your inner critic, and you make yourself write for 10 or 15 minutes straight without stopping. You write as many words as you can. When the time is up, you look at your writing to see if there are any patterns or themes or other ideas that might help you find a direction. Looping is similar to free writing. It's where you write 5 to 10 minute free writing sessions divided by reflection. So what would happen is you free write, then you read what you wrote and boil your main point down to one crunchy sentence. Then you free write again using that one sentence as your first sentence. And then you just keep repeating as often as you need to figure out what you want to say. Listing is another kind of pre-writing strategy. I tend to use this one a lot, where you list as many ideas as you can about your topic without worrying about logic or order. Then you look at your list to see if some items can be grouped together logically. And then you can cut and paste them together if you're doing it on the computer, or rewrite your list, grouping things that are similar together. Clustering is another technique where writers make a thought map that connects ideas about the topic. Each main spoke is an idea for its own paragraph. This kind of activity helps you see how main ideas connect logically. In this example, in a battle between Star Wars and Star Trek would win due to shielding, energy manipulation, and artificial intelligence capabilities. And then you can see all the spokes that come off. Energy manipulation would be one paragraph all of its own. Artificial intelligence would be another all of its own. And shielding would be another all of its own. And then coming off of those spokes are specific examples. So you can use clustering as a pre-writing technique for your essay as well. Some writers like to sketch out a formal outline to help them get organized before they write. This is not the way I prefer to write, but many of you may wish to do that. So those are some of the techniques you can use. This week in your lab, you're going to use a listing technique. Unless you wish to write it down, in that case, you can do that and take a picture of whatever cluster map you make and attach that along with the lab that you do this week. The pre-writing lab will help you write your thesis statement for Essay 1. If you have any questions about any of these strategies or anything covered in class, please reach out to me. I am sick, but I'm still here for you.